Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jenny here, and I am back with another video. Beside my passion for food and travel, I am also very into DIY. Easter is just only 1 week away, and what a perfect time to do some egg decoration. So like always, I jumped on Pinterest to look for some inspiration, and I came across so many of these beautiful pictures of people using kitchen herbs as a stencil to create a design for their eggs. And I just get so excited to try it out. So in this week video, I'm gonna show you my process of making herb/flower stencil Easter egg. So let's get started. First off, I gather herb and flower from my garden and kitchen to create the stencil. Luckily, spring is in full swing right now, so it is not hard to find pretty flower or pretty herb in my backyard. I was able to gather many different variety from dandelion, cilantro, parsley, and thymes. So once I was able to gather all my material, it is time to prep the eggs. So I started out with gently lay the leaf and the petal of the flower on top of my egg. Another tip that I also learned is that sometimes it is easier if the leaf or the flower are damp. So what I also do is that I just get a bowl of water to dip the herb in before smoothing it out on the egg. Then I cover the eggs and leaves with nylon stockings. Here I'm using some used nylon stocking that I have around my house. Carefully stretch the fabric so it can nicely wrap around the egg and hold the herb in place. This step is very important because this is how your egg will come out with a beautiful design at the end. Tie the egg with some strings. Now it's time to make the dye mixture. Here I am using a combination of red and brown onion skin to create that deep rust color. So let's start with peel some onion skin and then place a layer of the onion skin on the bottom of a large pot. After that, I gently place my egg on top of the onion skin layer with the herb side down and then cover the egg with another layer of onion skin. Next, I add 8 cups of water and I also make sure all my eggs are completely submerged. After that, I add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar in the water. Now your dye water is ready. I then cover the lid and bring my pot to boil for 30 minutes. I want you to keep in mind that the longer you cook the egg in this dye mixture, the deeper the color of the egg will be. I cooked mine for 30 minutes and I absolutely love how the color came out. But if you want to have a lighter color, I would recommend to check back in after 15 minutes or just checking in to see if it has reached the desired color that you wanted, and then get the egg out to cool. Once the egg have completely cooled down, now is the most exciting step of all because I can see my design come to life. I use a pair of scissors to cut off the stocking to reveal the plant and then gently remove the leaf and the flower off the eggs. Look at these beautiful herb stencil eggs that are ready to use for either Easter egg hunts or for decoration. I love experimenting with different kinds of herb and flower for this project, and I hope you have as much fun as I am watching this video. Let me know in the comment down below if you're gonna try this out or if you have any question. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more video. And I will see you next Sunday.